Can you solve this tricky SAT exam geometry problem? We are having a semicircle, inside which there is large square positioned just like this. We are given area of square, which is 100 square units. We also have one small square, which is touching with the arc of the semicircle and large square, just like this. Our aim is to find out the area of the small square. You can take your time and pause this video just to think about it. When you are ready, you can come back and check the correct answer. All right, let us solve this tricky SAT puzzle together. As we know that area of this large square is 100 square units, that simply means its side would be square root of 100, which is 10 units, right? Now, as we can see, this is the center of the semicircle. As the side of a large square is 10 units wide and center of semicircle lies directly in the middle of its base. So this side is 5 units and other side is also 5 units. Now we can draw the radius from the center of the semicircle to the upper right corner of the large square, just like this. We can call it as r as it is radius. Now closely look at this green triangle. We get the height of this triangle as 10 units and base as 5 units. The hypotenuse is r. Since this is right-angled triangle, we can apply Pythagorean theorem. We get r squared is equal to 10 squared plus 5 squared. That means r squared is equal to 100 plus 25. This gives us 125 units. Let's keep the r squared value as it is here. Now let's consider the side of the small square as x units. Now as we focus, we get the triangle formed by the radius of the semicircle and side of the small square. The height of this triangle is x, and the base is x plus 5, and the hypotenuse is r. Since this is also a right-angled triangle, again applying the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle, we get x squared plus x plus 5 squared is equal to r squared. As we already know, the value of r squared is 125 units. So, substituting the value we get, x squared plus x plus 5 squared is equal to 125. This gives x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 125. We get 2x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 125. Now, subtracting 125 from both sides, we get 2x squared plus 10x minus 100 is equal to 0. Now, dividing the equation entirely by 2, we get x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals 0. We can solve this equation in factor form. We get two factors with possible solutions. X minus 5 times x plus 10 is equal to 0. This gives x is 5 and x is equal to minus 10. As the length can't be negative, we have to discard the minus 10 as a negative value. So the side on the smaller square is 5 units. Now, as we know, area of square is equal to side square. So we get 5 square units, which 25 square units. Very easily done, right? But wait. Before you leave, I have a bonus SAT exam challenge for you. Can you find the area of smaller square in terms of variable instead of a number? Let's see who can solve it first. Think and drop your answer in the comments below. If this video has really helped you in any sense, do subscribe and hit the like button for more upcoming videos. Thanks for your time.